Race your own board. We're gonna play a little game to see if we can agree on some top home buying topics. And will we match? Let's find out. What is the first step to buying a house? This is an easy one.
You seem pretty confident over there.
Are you ready?
I'm ready. Money. That's not a bad first step. But first, you gotta make sure you have the funds.
Knowing how much you can afford is key.
It is, and whether it's your first time buying or it's been a while since you've done this, you should know what you can afford and have a budget.
Well, with RBC's True House Affordability Tool, you can see what you could afford pretty much right away. It's different from other tools and calculators because it's personalized to you. It gives an estimate based on your information and your credit worthiness. It doesn't affect your credit score. It's so easy and fast, it only takes about 60 seconds.
Well, that's a quick and easy first step in a home search.
Our answers go very well together, just like you and me.
Okay, next question. What's the number one thing we look for in a neighborhood? Yeah, are you ready?
Yep, I'm ready. We got the same answer. When we first bought this house, we fell in love with the location. It was close to good schools, hospitals. It just already had a great community feel. It was perfect.
So when you're buying a home, finding the right neighborhood is a personal thing. Maybe you think you found the right neighborhood, but it's out of your price range, or maybe it's missing something that's important for you. Well, with RBC's Neighborhood Explorer tool, you can find the perfect neighborhoods that are in your price range and they match exactly what you're looking for, like proximity to schools, parks, or transit.
Thank goodness we're on the same page.